how to redeem a code on Steam. So let's take a look at the code I have here. As you can see, this is the code. It may come in this type of format, may come in some other types of format, but I'm gonna show you the types of formats the codes can come in. So to redeem a code, the first thing that you need to do is open up Steam. You can do this either on the client or on the website, but I'm gonna show you how to do it in the client. So once you open up Steam, go to the games and activate a product on Steam. Click next. I agree. And here it shows you how the keys should look like. So as you can see, my key resembles the first type of key. So let's just paste my key and click next. Now this is just a random game I got the key from because it was cheap. You can print the receipt or not. Let's just click print receipt. And here, if you have a printer, you can easily do this. Now click finish. And now it's gonna automatically ask you if you want to download this game and where you want to download it. I'm gonna click next, and now it's simply downloading the files. And there you go, that's how to redeem codes or activate keys on Steam. If you found this short little tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all in the next video.